In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a Shopify app if you've been working with Shopify for a while. You may have downloaded a variety of apps to help expand your store's capabilities, but sometimes you may find that you don't need a particular app anymore, or perhaps it doesn't suit your needs as you originally thought. Whatever the reason, uninstalling an app from your Shopify store is a simple and straightforward process. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will see a navigation panel that lists various options such as Home, Orders, Products, and so on. For the purpose of removing an app, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps, and this will take you directly to your Apps page. Once you're on the Apps page, you'll notice a button that says Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Clicking on this button will pull up a detailed list of all the applications that you have currently installed on your store. This list provides an easy-to-navigate way to view and manage all your apps in one place. Now, let's say you've identified the app you want to remove from your store. Take a close look at the list of apps and locate the one you're no longer interested in keeping. Once you find it, you'll notice a small three-dot icon next to the app's name. This icon is a common symbol for additional options or settings in many online platforms, including Shopify. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with a few different choices. Among the options in this drop-down menu, you'll see one that says Uninstall. Go ahead and click on Uninstall, and this action will initiate the process to remove the app from your Shopify store. It's important to double-check that you are selecting the correct app for deletion, as you don't want to accidentally remove one that you still need. And that's all there is to it. After you've clicked Uninstall, the app will no longer be part of your store, freeing up space and resources for any future apps you may want to try. If you ever change your mind or need the app again, you can always reinstall it. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, Shopify's support is always available to help guide you through these processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the task of uninstalling an app on Shopify a breeze.